morning, ma. Hey, this is how good students supposed to look like.
Yes.
See how decent you are looking. You are looking so beautiful. You are looking so fine. At least we can now recognize students from riffraff. How one riffraff? Oh, let's sort here, padà. You can say your own back. Once you are ready to graduate inside your parlor, tó bá ti ready láti graduate nínú yàrá yín. Nonsense. So class jàre, this is well encouraging.
Continue.
At least I can recognize each and every one of you now. So right now, let us go straight to today's topic. Excuse me, ma.
Yes.
You gave us an assignment the last time. Shut up! Why are you guys making noise? Is it not right for her to remind me? A bunch of olodo. Rubbish. So Afusa, come and solve the assignment on the board.
70 years old man.
Afusa, what happened to her? She's not feeling too fine, ma. She's not feeling too well. Sorry, oh. So you can come and solve the problem on the board.
She what?
Afusa. Jesus! Look on the class. Stand there. I better stand up. She's calling you. Ma. In my class, in my presence. Ma, she's well now. She can answer you very well. Afusa, don't worry again. Rachel, come and solve the assignment on the board ASAP. Ma. Rachel, I'm still waiting for you to come and solve the assignment on the board. Ma, I'm not feeling too well, so let me know first where before she. So she know where, I know where. Two of us, we know where. Now only this girl, she where. Rachel, for the last time, come and solve the assignment on the board. But ma, it's Afusa das. Then I saw one man kankan. All the daughter ọmọdóge lọ. Tí bá ṣe pé bóyá mo sùn. Mo ní sleepless night. What is there? Surely what Balikis, eh? Now only you sabi. Blue. You cannot just keep your mouth shut just for one minute. Amurasun. Assignment ni. You know? Yes. Mrs. Gladys on the line. What? What happened? No, like, what happened to him? I don't understand. You people should wait, oh. You people should wait for me. I'm on my way. I'll be there right now. I'm coming. Class, see you next time. See you. Bye-bye. Yes. Hey. I told you, the Lord I'm serving will never disappoint me. Surely, Afusa, only she already. Do you think you can disgrace me? You don't let her. And you, Balikis, don't worry. After this class, I will disgrace you. Àwẹ̀, ìwọ kò wà lórí ìnáró ni, kó o tó jókòó. Kí ni a mí pè ní fáwẹ́lì àìránmúpè? My village people at work again, no.
May God not allow them, let them kill me.